AlphaZero is a famous AI algorithm that achieved superhuman performance in games like chess, Go, and Shogi entirely through self-play, learning all on its own by playing games against itself and without any human input. For the past few weeks, I've been making a video series that goes into the details of how this algorithm actually works and what's going on under the hood. And I've made these interactive notebooks where we have the algorithm playing Connect 4, and we can look and see exactly what it's doing and exactly how it's learning. Today, I'm releasing a very basic version of the AI. There's a link in the description you can click and play in your browser, and you can play against it. The way it works is the buttons are up here to play in any of the columns. Right now, I am the red pieces. The AI is the blue pieces. Let me try to trick this AI. And over here, it shows you what the AI is thinking. So it has thought about this position, and it says, I definitely have to play in this last column or I'm going to lose. And the little number over here tells you what it thinks the chances of it winning are. This number is the difference between player 1 winning minus player 2 winning. So in this case, it thinks there's a 12% higher chance that player 2 wins than player 1 wins. In other words, it thinks it's going to beat me 12% of the time more than I'm going to beat it. Let's play a couple more moves and see how this changes. Maybe I will go for this. I'm quite bad at Connect 4. So this is actually part of the reason I want you guys to play it, is I want to see how good is the typical player at Connect 4. Okay, see, now I've made a terrible move apparently because it is all the way up to negative 48%. So it thinks that player 2 wins 48% of the time more than player 1 now. And so this graph showing how much it thinks player 1 is winning minus player 2 is winning is going quite negative. Let's play a couple more and see. But I can just win by going like this. Oh, it blocked me. Okay, let's play a couple more moves. Okay, so you can see, actually, now I'm noticing that it has some threat over like this, so I'm doing really quite badly. This is very embarrassing. But part of the reason I want to have you guys play it is the AI has this budget, this thinking budget that I've highlighted over here, and this is measured in something called rollouts, which will be explained in the video series. And I want to see how many does it need for it to be pretty good, to be at sort of human level. And right now it's set to 500, and apparently 500 is enough to beat me. If you try it, maybe 500 is not enough to beat you, and then you can try to bump it up a little bit and see how good or bad it is with more rollouts. So this is like increasing the budget of its thinking. If it's up to 2,000, it'll think for longer. Let's play another move and watch it think for longer. I don't know. We'll play here and watch it think. So it's thinking a little bit longer. So I'm curious how good you guys are. If you want to leave a comment with, I played it at 1,000 rollouts and I beat it. I played it at 2,000 and I lost. That kind of thing would be really helpful for me. If you get bored of playing the same openings over and over again, I also have over here the random opening rule. So if you set this to like 3, it will start with sort of 3 random pieces on the board to make the openings a little bit more exciting. You can also try modifying the game rules, although sometimes this causes it to crash, so watch out. But the most exciting thing is we can look inside the brain of this AI and see what it is thinking. And that is this big tree over here of all the different states that the AI thought about. So this is the kind of thing that I'll be explaining in my video series, but you can take a quick peek at it already. And it's really nice because it shows you all the different positions and exactly how much it thought about each one. So you can kind of explore this around and get a sense of the kinds of things we'll be looking at in the video. I hope you find this as exciting as I do. I'm really looking forward to this, and I hope to see you at the main video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that when it comes out. And in the meantime, let me know how it goes playing against this. Looking forward to chatting with people in the comments.